Welcome to our guide on how to post stories to Snapchat shared stories. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your Android device. This is the first step in the process of posting a story to Snapchat shared stories. Launch the app to begin. Step 2. Choose or take a picture for the story. Select an existing photo or capture a new one to use as the content for your story. Step 3. Tap and hold the Stories button. Locate the Stories button within the app and press and hold it to proceed with sharing your story. Step 4. Choose Shared Story Name and tap Send. Select the specific shared story you want to post to, and then tap the Send button to share your story with that audience. By following these easy steps, you can effortlessly contribute to Snapchat's shared stories and engage with a larger audience. Sharing your stories on Snapchat has never been easier. Start posting to shared stories today and connect with the Snapchat community like never before. Thank you for watching our full guide on posting stories to Snapchat shared stories. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips.